Defenestration is a noun that refers to the act of throwing someone or something out of a window. While this term may sound specific and unusual, it has both historical significance and figurative uses. Meaning and usage. 1. Literal meaning. Defenestration literally means the act of tossing an object or a person out of a window. Historically, this act has been associated with significant political events. Example: the defenestration of the tyrant sparked a revolution among the people. 2. Historical context. One of the most famous incidents of defenestration took place in 1618 in Prague, when 2 Catholic officials were thrown out of a window by Protestant nobles, leading to the start of the 30 Years' War. This event is known as the Defenestration of Prague. 3. Figurative meaning. In modern, informal usage, defenestration can be used figuratively to describe the removal or dismissal of someone from a position of power or importance, though this use is rarer. Example: the company's defenestration of its CEO surprised the entire industry. Etymology. Defenestration comes from the Latin de, meaning down from, and fenestra, meaning window. It was first used in the 17th century, coinciding with historical events involving the literal act of throwing people out of windows. Related words: fenestration refers to the arrangement of windows in a building. Example: the fenestration of the modern office. Building was designed to maximize natural light. Synonyms: ejection, expulsion. Though not directly synonymous, they can be used in a figurative sense. Antonyms: insertion, installation. While the word defenestration is not frequently used in everyday conversation, it captures a vivid and somewhat dramatic concept, making it a memorable term in both historical and figurative contexts.